Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice moisturizer at home. First, select about 1/2 cup of organic white rice. Rinse it thoroughly under cold running water. This step is crucial to remove any dirt, pesticides, or excess starch. Continue rinsing until the water you drain off appears completely clear. This ensures a pure and clean foundation for your homemade skincare product. Next, you'll create the rice water base. You have two main options, soaking or boiling. For soaking, place the rinsed rice in a clean bowl with 2 cups of distilled water and let it sit for 30 minutes to 4 hours. If boiling, use the same ratio, bring to a boil, then simmer for about 15 minutes. Strain the rice, keeping the milky water, and allow it to cool completely. Now, let's enrich your moisturizer. Take 1/2 cup of your prepared rice water. To this, add 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin, which acts as a humectant, drawing moisture into your skin. For added nourishment, incorporate 5 to 10 drops of a beneficial oil, like jojoba or sweet almond oil. Mix all ingredients thoroughly until well combined, creating a smooth and consistent texture. For optimal freshness, store your finished rice moisturizer in a clean, airtight container in the refrigerator. It will remain potent and effective for approximately 5 to 7 days. To use, simply apply a small, pea-sized amount to your clean face and neck in the morning and evening. Gently massage it into your skin until fully absorbed, enjoying its natural hydrating properties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.